Hello dear fellow English learners, this is me Kavya Sharma and welcome back to the channel. As you have already read in the title that today I am going to tell you some 10 words that will make you sound elegant and fancy in your conversation or in your speeches. Have you ever heard someone say a speech or sentences that sound so lavish? Well, the secret lies in the choice of their words. So today I'm going to tell you some 10 very simple words yet very effective in a manner that it will make you sound elegant and lavish. The first word is rather. Rather is a word that I think you all might have heard, but yet you all use it very rarely. So start using it now. It's such a great word. Rather is used as a replacement of instead. It is often used when you prefer one thing over another. Example would be rather than complaining, you should try to make changes. Here are some more examples that will make you understand it even more better. The second word in our list is meritorious. Meritorious means deserving of praise or reward. When you want to praise someone, so instead of using words such as praiseworthy, great, good, or words or common words like that, you can use meritorious. An example would be the team's meritorious performance earned them a special spot in the finals. Here are some more examples. The next word in our list is surreal. Surreal means unexpected, often in a way that it feels dreamlike or unreal. Have you ever experienced a situation where it feels unreal or dreamlike? That's when you use surreal. An example sentence would be walking through the streets of the city at night was a surreal experience. It is used in a situation when something feels so good to be true. That's when you use surreal. Another very nice word we have pensive. Pensive means thoughtfulness, often with a sense of sadness. An example sentence would be he sat alone looking pensive by remembering his old friend. So, when someone is lost in his own thought with a sense of sadness, then you use pensive. The next word in our list is ephemeral. Not ephemeral but ephemeral. Ephemeral means lasting for a very short period of time. An example would be the performance ephemeral dance performed only once and never to be repeated was surreal. Now, sagacious. Sagacious is an adjective that is used to define a person who shows a very good judgment or understanding to a particular situation or to a particular thing. For an example, my sagacious mother offered words of wisdom that helped me get through a difficult situation. Another very great word, vacillate. Vacillate is used as a replacement of hesitate. So instead of saying she hesitated between her speech, say she vacillated between her speech. See how much improvement it brought? Here are some more examples. Now a very simple one. Perhaps. Perhaps is used as a replacement of maybe. Such a simple definition, right? Yet it sounds fancier than maybe. So start using it now. An example sentence would be perhaps we could meet for lunch tomorrow. Now, poised. Poised is again a replacement of calm. So instead of saying he was calm, she was calm, he remained calm, she remained calm, you can say he was poised, she was poised, he remained poised. See how fancier it sounds? An example sentence would be despite the chaos around her, the poised girl remained focused. Last but not the least, serenity. Serenity means peaceful. An example sentence would be, after a few minutes of meditation, I felt a deep sense of serenity within myself. So instead of using peaceful all the time, you could use serenity to improve your conversation or your speeches. So this was the list of 10 words that will make you sound fancy and more elegant. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned from it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.